All right. Chapter 4, Section 9. This is the last section of the chapter. So when we look at this, we're going to, let's see, today's Wednesday. We got Thursday, Friday. We'll review this tomorrow. We'll start review Thursday, Friday, Monday on Monday test. Monday's too weird. Monday test. Yeah, well, that means you get to study on a weekend. All right? Let's take a look at this. We need to be able to solve. Now, it says here solve by graphing. I'm not going to worry about that. We're not graphing. I'm not worried about solving this by graphing, but we do need to figure out what x is on this. This is pretty easy. You notice we have a polynomial up here, has a factor of 2, and we have just a single equation with a factor of 1. Notice that they're both equal to y. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set y equal to y. I am going to set negative x squared plus 3x plus 2 equal to 3x plus 2. Now I'm going to create it. I want this set to equal 0 because if we want to find the solutions for x, we have to set it equal to 0, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my 3x over and your 2 over. What do I end up with? Negative 4x squared. Right? Well, you subtract 3x. I'm sorry. Whoa, I was going. Yeah, right. What am I thinking here? All right. Minus 3x minus 3x, and a minus 2 and a minus 2. What are we going to end up with? X squared minus x squared equals 0, right? What's 0? What's x squared then? 0. So x equals 0. That one was pretty easy. Yep. Let's take a look at number 2 here. X squared plus 2x minus 3 equals 2x plus 1. Well, we can get rid of the 2 x's, right? They cancel each other out. Bring the negative 3 over, so we add 3 to both sides. X squared equals 4. What does x equal? And? If I square root both sides, x equals plus or minus 2. Starting to look kind of easy? All right, let's figure it out for where we have to factor this puppy. Take a look at number 4. 2x squared minus 5x equals a minus 3x plus 4. Let's bring it over. 2x squared plus 3x both sides. We have a minus 2x. And then we bring over a minus 4 equals 0. Now this is squared here. If you look at it and you don't see the factor in it, what would you use? Quadratic formula. Let's use the quadratic formula on this. All right. Minus a negative 2 is a plus 2. Plus or minus. So b would be minus 2, right? So that'd be 4. Minus 2ac, right? Or 4ac. Minus 4a. So it'd be 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8 times 4 is 32. But since we got negative, this would be a positive. Divided by 2. What's 2a would be 4. Okay, that's what x equals. What's it? 2 times 2, 2a. Remember, here's a quadratic formula. If you ever have to look, it's sitting right here. Okay? So this is going to equal 2 plus or minus square root of 36 over 4. Or it's going to equal 2 plus or minus 6 over 4. You have to do it like this. Now we can go 2 plus 6, which would equal 8 over 4. So let's go like this. We go this. 8 over 4 would be 2. And the other way, 2 minus 6 would be a negative 4, so it'd be a negative 1. Those are your two answers. Got it, Otters? See how we do that? Pretty easy, isn't it? It's just the next step. This is the last step of this chapter. All right? Now this is the practice. No, I ain't playing it. It went into a. It's been doing this. It's got some little goofy thing happening here where it says I need to discard. We're having issues. So let's go down to 4-9. You've got 6 problems. I will. I'll keep those up there. Those are the 6 you guys have to have done for tomorrow.